This is the Snapshot Remote, your access point to the Australian Web Archive, or AWA. The AWA is available through Trove, so to launch it, go to trove.nla.gov.au and click the category. This is the AWA homepage. From here, you can look at website content that has been curated by National Library of Australia staff and our partner institutions across Australia. Or you can dive right into the AWA by a keyword search, or, for better results, by the exact address of the site, its URL. Web pages have come a long way since 1996, as has the underlying technology. Search engines have also changed. You couldn't just Google in 1996. So the more you can define your search, the better the results. Where possible, use the URL. Otherwise, the advanced search will provide improved results. The features on the advanced search page are self-explanatory. They allow you to refine your searches in a number of ways, including limiting and excluding word and phrase searches, limiting the search to government content at either a federal or state level, limiting the search to specific subdomains, limiting the search between specific dates, or limiting the search by file type. Regardless of how you refine your search, you initiate it by clicking the search button. Only search results from the AWA will be displayed. As with modern browsers, simply clicking on your chosen result will take you to a snapshot of the selected page. Each snapshot shows the selected website at a given point in time, as completely as possible based on what data was captured or harvested. Some content may not load or display correctly due to technical constraints that all web archives work with. This is perfectly normal. You'll also notice that the Snapshot Remote is front and center on the screen, and it is from this tool that you are able to navigate through the timeline of any website. The Snapshot Remote has a self-explanatory feature set. The left of the panel shows the date and time of the snapshot. The top pair of arrows allow you to move backwards and forwards one snapshot at a time. The bottom pair of arrows take you to the first and last available snapshots respectively. The View Live web page button will take you to the current live version of the URL snapshot. The More Snapshots button will bring up a panel that allows you to select other known locations of the page you are looking at. Two features, the calendar and the timeline, provide alternative ways to move through the snapshots. Clicking the Timeline button brings up the timeline interface across the bottom of the screen. From here, you can navigate through years and available snapshots by hovering to preview, then clicking to select. For an even more comprehensive window into the snapshots, you can use the Calendar button to bring up a panel that shows a calendar through which you can navigate. This clearly shows when snapshots were created and the state of each one. The preferred snapshots are highlighted in blue, with the other colours representing incomplete or redirected or restricted harvests. Using the Australian Web Archive and the Snapshot Remote allows anybody access to more than 600 terabytes of data, with content spanning more than 22 years of Australia's digital history and ranging from deeply scholarly articles through popular culture to personal accounts and forums on daily life. With an expected growth rate of more than 100 terabytes annually, the Australian Web Archive will be a key resource in conserving Australia's digital footprint now and into the future.